Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to start with the annuity, which is very important for the CA foundation exam. Okay, so annuities are, guys, only 5 formulas are there. So from 5 formulas they will ask 9 to 10 sums. So it's easy to score. The thing is, you have to understand the concept. That's it. It is really very easy to score. Just you have to understand the what concept. Ashte. Yeah. So first we'll start with annuity. Like, what is annuity? If I will tell you simple, okay, annuity. If I will tell you in a simple word, it is like EMI. EMI, or you will pay the rent. Okay, so this is the annuity. Means annuity, we are, see the normal thing in EMI. What will happen in EMI? The money is fixed. First of all, what the thing will happen? Yeah, further thing is money is fixed. Okay, because EMI we know, right? If we make a EMI of suppose 5,000, so suppose if you purchase any mobile, okay, and you are paying EMI, right? If you will purchase any mobile through EMI, so suppose you have to pay 5,000 EMI of 5,000. So what does this mean? Means this 5,000 is fixed. The 5,000 is fixed. We cannot able to increase it, or we cannot able to decrease it. No one can able to increase, or no one can able to decrease it. So that's why annuity, the first thing is money is fixed, right? In EMI money is fixed. If you are paying 5,000, so 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, every month you have to pay 5,000, correct? Okay, so this is the first condition where money is fixed. Yes, this is the first condition where money is fixed. Second is time is also fixed. Time, or you can say the time interval between two payments. Okay, if I will tell you an annuity like definition, annuity is a sequence of periodic payments. Annuity is a sequence of periodic payments. Periodic payments means where you will fix the time, where you will fix the period. Okay, like 6 month, 9 month, 12 month, we'll pay the EMI based upon, right, 3 months, 6 month, 9 month, 12 months. So we'll fixed, okay, this much amount of money I am going to pay through EMI within 9 months. So what is this? Periodic payment. Done. Payment is fixed. Okay, means time is fixed. In that guys, very important thing. See, what is annuity? Annuity, first thing we know that we have to fix the amount. Money is fixed means nothing but amount is fixed. Okay, amount is fixed. Like suppose if you want to pay a 5,000, so 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, it is fixed in EMI, right? In house rent also it is fixed. If you are paying suppose 20,000 rent, so 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, it is fixed. 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, it is fixed. So money is fixed is nothing but amount is fixed. First thing. Second thing is time interval is also fixed. Time interval between two consecutive payment is fixed. Suppose you are paying the EMI on 8th of every month. So every month you have to pay on 8th, 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 8th. You can't pay on 10th. You can't pay on 6th. It will get automatically deducted by 8th of every month and the same amount. That is the annuity, where amount is fixed, time interval between the two payment is fixed, between the two consecutive payment is fixed. Okay, so that's why they say annuity is a sequence of periodic payment. Sequence, you have made a sequence of 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Okay, sequence of periodic payment means 8th of every month, 8th of every month, 8th of every month, 8th of every month. Okay, over a regular time. Over a regular time means suppose you took for a 6 month, so you are paying 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 on 8th of every month, 8th of every month, 8th of every month, 8th of every month till 6 month or till 9 month or till 12 month. Okay, the better example is EMI or the house rent or any rent. Okay, EMI means the money you will fixed 5,000, so 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, right? And the next thing is time interval is also fixed, like 8th of every month if you are paying 10th of every month, if you are paying 20th of every month, 20, 20, 20, 20, right? The rent is also like that, 1st of every month, or you will pay the last date of every month. So it is fixed, you can't make it more or you can't make it less. Means amount you can't make it more, you can't make it less. Even the time interval, that is also fixed, you can't make 10 days more or 5 days before, it is fixed. So that is annuity. Annuity, the best example is EMI or rent, the best example. I hope everyone understand. Yes, if you understand, press the like button. Okay. Then next is annuity, the best example is EMI and rent. So what is the condition in EMI? Yes, first condition is amount is fixed. In rent also the amount is fixed. Second condition is time interval, or you can say the specific date is fixed. Okay, so amount is fixed, date is fixed. So, and you are paying over a period of time. Over a period of time means 6 month, 9 month, 12 month will make the EMI, right? So rent also, if you see the rental agreement, it will be of 1 year. After 1 year, the rental agreement will change. So till 1 year, the amount is fixed, the date is fixed, right? Over a period of time is 1 year. If you took a EMI of 9 month, so over a period of time is 9 month is fixed, right? Same amount, 10, 10, 10, 10,000 or 2, 2, 2,000 or 3,000, whatever you will take the EMI, and same date. So amount is fixed, date is fixed over a period of time. Okay, so best is EMI and rent. I hope you understand about the annuity. Yes, sir. Now in annuity we have a two things: future value, present value. Okay, very important. You see in the examination, okay, fine, we will see future value, present value. Future value means, guys, see, future value means you have to find the future value. Present value means you have to find the present value. Simple thing. Okay, annuity, everyone understand. Annuity, the best example is EMI or the rent, any rent. Okay, EMI and rent is the best example of annuity. So what will happen in this? First condition is amount is fixed, you can't change the amount. Amount is fixed, date is also fixed, means the time interval between two consecutive payment is also fixed over a period of time. Okay, so everything is fixed, that is called an annuity. So in annuity there are two types: future value, present value. First type is future value, another is not the two types, sorry, two types of annuity is this: annuity regular and annuity due. Okay, means in annuity we are going to study the two things: future value and present value. Okay, future value means, yes, you have to find the future value. Present value means you have to find the present value. Means future value, suppose you think, means you started investing, okay, or you started depositing. Suppose you went for a bank, okay, you asked with a bank person, like, from now onwards I think of depositing 3,000 per month, okay, for the next 3 years. So what is that? You know the present value, you know the, I'm talking about future value. Okay, you know the present value, but how much, what is the present value? The present value is 3,000 what you are depositing. What is the present value? Yes, the present value is 3,000 what you will deposit every month till 3 years. So bank will see like that, and bank will say that, okay, I will provide you the 9% interest over this. So what you will ask with the bank? Okay, I will deposit 3,000 every month for the next 3 years at a rate of 9%. So tell me after 3 years how much I will get. So this what you are finding. You know the present value you are depositing 33,000 for the next 3 years at the rate of 9% per annum. So you want to know that what I will get in the future after 3 years. So that is a future value. Okay. In future value, you know the present value, like how much you are depositing or how much you are investing or how much you are saving. You know the present value, and after certain like period of time at a some rate of interest, how much you are going to get after like 2 years, 3 years or 5 years. Okay, if you are depositing after 5 years how much you will get, or if you are investing some money after 5 years at the rate of 10%, how much you will get. So how much you will get means you have to find the future value. Okay, yes, understand? Yes, future value means you are knowing the present, how much you have to deposit, how much you have to invest, how much you are saving. So based upon that, at with some rate of interest after few years like 2 years, 3 years, how much you will get. So what you have to find the future value. For the present, how much you are investing after certain time with a rate of interest, how much you will get. So that is the future value. Okay, so in future value we have a two things: annuity regular, annuity due. Okay, so remember the thing: annuity regular and annuity due. Annuity regular means yes, end of the period. Annuity due means starting of the period. Starting of the period. Okay, now present value. Present value means, guys, present value is same opposite of future value. Means in this you have to find the present value. Suppose in present value you borrows a 10 lakh rupees or you took a loan of 5 lakh rupees. So you have to pay at the rate of 10%. Okay, at the rate of 10% after 10 years. So what you know the future value, how much you have to return. How much you have to return? 10 lakh rupees. You borrowed a 10 lakh rupees with a rate of 10% per annum. After 10 years you have to return all that. Means what you will calculate, like from now onwards how much, from now onwards how much I have to start saving. So that's why I can repay the loan. Correct? So in present value you know the future value, like how much you have to return. 10 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees, you know how much you have to return after a certain period of time, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 10 years, right? So based upon that future value, how much you have to return, for that returning, from now onwards how much you have to start saving, or from now onwards how much you have to start giving to the bank. So after 10 years you can pay the loan back. Okay, I hope you understand about the present value and the future value. Future value means in that you have to find the future value. Present value means in that you have to find the present value. So in future value you know the present value. So according to that, how much you will get in future, that is the future value you have to find. Present value means you know how much loan you have taken or how much money you have borrowed. So that much amount you have to return in future. You know the future value. So returning that much amount, from now onwards how much I will start saving. So I will reach after that years, I will reach that amount. So what you have to find the present value. From now onwards how much I will start saving, that is the present value. I hope you understand. Yes. So annuity regular for both future value and present value. Annuity due for both future value and present value. Okay. But remember the thing, in the examination they will not say you like find the future value of annuity regular or find the present value of annuity due or find the future value of annuity due. They will not tell in the examination. So how you will get to know? कैसे तो बड़ा समस्या हो गया सर, कैसे रे कैसे होगा सर, कैसे? So रुको जरा सबर करो. Okay, see, in the examination we have to read the question. After reading the question we have to see the words. That word will indicate that whether it is a future value or present value. After that you will get to know whether it is a future value or present value. Then we have to see you are paying at the end of every time period or at the starting of every time period. If you are paying at the end of every time period, then we have to use the formula of annuity regular. If you are paying at the starting of every time period, then we have to use the formula of annuity due. So how we will get to know? Bada samasya ra baba Raju. See, future value means if the word is like invest, right? Because from now onwards you will invest. So how much you will get in the future? Invest or deposit, okay, or savings. If the word is like invest, deposit, saving, means we will get to know if the word is like invest, deposit, savings. So we'll get to know, okay, means we have to find a future value. Sorry. If the word is like invest, deposit, savings, means we'll get to know, okay, we have to find a future value. After that we will read whether we are paying at the end of every time period or whether we are paying at the starting of every time period. Suppose if the question is like you are investing at the end of every month, means you are investing. So what is invest? Means we have to use the future value in that end of every month. So end means annuity regular, means we have to use the formula of future value of annuity regular. So from the word we will understand. Okay, sometimes they will give, very rare, sometimes they will give. Okay, but maximum time we have to read the question and we have to understand whether we are applying the future value or present value. So all you'll remember by the words. Okay, if the word is invest, deposit, saving, it is a future value. And for present value, loan or borrowed, because loan or, if the word is loan or if the word is like borrowed, because if you will borrow, you know how much you have to return with the interest, right? So for that returning you have to start saving from now onward, the present value. So like that, in loan also we know how much we have to return the loan. So if the word is invest, deposit, saving, means it is a future value. We have to use future value. If the word is like loan, borrowed, means we have to use a present value. After that, if you are paying at the end, it is annuity regular. Is again, if you are paying at the starting, annuity due. And guys, the formulas are much similar. Okay. Okay. So the thing is this, you have to know the words. And see, formula is how much formula? 4 or 5 formulas are there. That's it. Okay. So let's come. We'll write down the formula. I hope everyone understand till now. Everyone understand the concept of annuity. बाबा जी की ब्यूटी, और आज का चैप्टर है annuity. Annuity, बाबा जी की ब्यूटी. Okay. Now guys, first of all we will write the formula of, see, just understand, because one formula you will write, another formula to cut. Okay. So first we will write the formula of future value of किसका लिखेंगे बताओ, annuity regular. Future value of an बाबा जी की ब्यूटी annuity, future value of annuity regular. We write the formula of future value of annuity regular. So see guys, very important, if in the question they will say find the amount, if in the question if they will say amount, you have to find the amount. Amount means future value. Amount means future value. Then we have to check whether it is end at the sorry, end of the time period or starting of the time period, then annuity, regular or due. Okay, so if they will say to find the amount, guys, directly amount means future value, because see the future value formula, see future value of annuity regular formula is a means amount equals, see amount equals, so that's why if amount means future value of annuity, sorry, future value. Okay, so future value of annuity regular amounts equals principal into 1 plus r, 1 plus r or r plus 1, both are same, 1 plus r power n minus 1 by r. Okay, future value of annuity regular. Okay, guys, very important thing, n is the time, a is the amount, p is the principal, small r, guys, small r, remember the thing, small r is capital R by 100. Don't do mistake like small r means oh that only rate of interest, no, rate of interest divided by 100, that is a small r, understand, keep in your mind. Okay, so future value of annuity regular, if they will say amount, find the amount means this, because see amount equals, we are finding the amount, so amount equals principal into 1 plus r power n minus 1 by r. Same, if you are it means if you will write the formula of future value of an annuity, babaji ki booty, annuity due, future value of an annuity due, just see the formula guys, very simple, amount equals, see in future value you have to find the amount, future value amount, save, so that's why they will say amount means future value, babaji ki booty, future value except your future, you have to find the future value, you don't know the present, you have to find the present value. We don't know the x, we have to find the x. Mike's guys, Mike's mouth. Future value of annuity due, see the formula, same, amount equals principal into 1 plus r whole power n minus 1 divided by r. और तरीके सर same formula, see the formula is same, we have to do the little changes, only 1 into 1 plus r. See the formula of annuity and annuity due and sorry annuity, future value of annuity regular and future value of annuity due, see the formula similar, only we have to do a little changes, that is multiply 1 plus r. Okay, and guys, one thing, if they will say sinking fund, guys, this formula is same for sinking fund, important guys, this is important, they will ask sinking fund. Okay, I will tell you how we'll get to know by sinking fund. Okay, means how we'll get to know whether the question is of sinking fund or not. Okay, so if the sinking fund means same formula, future value of annuity regular. Now we will see the present value, present value now next 1 2, okay, done, then we will see the present value of an annuity regular, correct, yes, present value of an annuity regular. Now see all the formulas are much related to each other. Now see, we are finding the present value, so present value equals amount. Now see the formula, be careful guys, 1 plus r power n minus 1 divided by r. This is much similar to present future value, only the thing is here it was amount, principal, it got changed, but see the thing, 1 plus r power n minus 1 by r, only what the thing is this 1 plus r power n. Present value of annuity regular. See, if you remember the one formula future value of an annuity regular, from that we will make a future value of annuity due. We have to multiply 1 plus r. Then same future value of annuity regular is the sinking fund. Then same from that we will write the present value of annuity regular. What we will interchange? Amount will come inside. Present value equals amount into the same we will write 1 plus r power n minus 1 by r. Then just this thing 1 plus r power n will come down. And the last one, last formula. Only 4 formula. Present value of annuity due. Present value of an annuity due. So present value of annuity due. See, देखो guys. हाँ सही. So see the formula. Present value equals amount. Same. 1 plus r power n minus 1 divided by r into 1 plus r power n plus a. Okay, this is the formula, but only one changes guys. Present value of annuity due means whatever the time is given, we have to take a 1 year less, n minus 1 time. That's it. Okay, कुछ बताना था. हाँ guys, remember one thing, this is very important. So in today's class we will only learn the concept. In the next video we will do the sums. Okay guys, very important thing. Wait a minute. Very important thing. See, if it is about the present value, okay, if suppose in a present value, okay, remember the thing, present value is greater than amount. Okay, so in the question we have to read and we have to understand whether, okay, see, if suppose word is loan word is there and you are paying the loan at the end of every month, means from this word we will get to know which formula we have to apply. From the word loan, paying at the end of every month, or paying at the end of every year, or at the end of every time period. So we will get to know loan word means present value, paying at the end of every month, annuity regular, right? हाँ ये थोड़ा भूल जाते. Okay, means guys, from the word we will only get to know like which formula we have to apply. Remember the thing, from the word we will get to know which formula we have to apply. Okay, like suppose if the word is like you have taken a loan and you are paying at the end of every time period, means loan. So present value at the end means annuity regular. We will get to know only we have to use a formula of present value of annuity regular. But in that what you have to find, either you have to find the present value or either you have to find the annuity. That is important. For that I am giving this note. Okay, suppose if the word is invest and you are investing at the starting of every time period, means invest means future value, starting means annuity due, means we get to know like okay, we have to use the formula of future value of annuity due. Done. But in that what we have to find, we know that we are using the formula of future value of annuity due, or we are using the formula of present value of annuity regular. But in that what we have to find, either we have to find the present value or amount, or in future value you have to find the amount or principal. Okay, this is the confusion between the student, where the student will do a lot of mistake. But I came up with these things, remove their mistake. Okay, because song is there, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, बेटा जी एग्जाम में मत करियो मिस्टेक, फिर बाहर निकल के बोलोगे सिंगल पीस ऑफ पेपर कांट डिसाइड माय फ्यूचर, वही डिसाइड करेगा तेरा फ्यूचर. वाह, समझे? तो यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक. ओके, नो बकवास, सीधी बात. So the thing is, now suppose guys, if you took a loan of 10 lakh rupees. So if you took a loan of 10 lakh rupees, so for that 10 lakh rupees, whatever the amount you are paying, obviously it is lesser than this, correct? If you took a 10 lakh rupees from, means 10 lakh loan from a bank, and for that returning the loan for 10 lakh, whatever the money you are paying to the bank, that money is every time it is smaller than the loan money, right? Yes. So that time this is the highest value is the principal value, and the lowest value what we have to find is the amount. Like this you have to read the question. Just understand this. When we'll do the sums you will get to know. In the next video when we'll do the sums you will get to know. Second thing we'll write about the future value. Remember the guys, in the future value the formula we have amount and principal. So obviously amount is greater than principal. Okay, so you have to understand. Just keep in your mind this thing. When you will do the sum, that time you will understand. Okay, if we are using the present value formula, any formula, so we will see what is given and what we have to find. We will compare which is bigger. If suppose the given and what we have to find is a bigger, means if it is a present value, means that what we have to find is a present value and given is the amount. Okay, suppose when we will come for the future value, in the future value suppose given is more and what we have to find is a small value, means what, given is the amount and what we have to find the small value is the principal, because in future value amount is greater than principal. Just understand the concept. Principal in the present value is greater than amount. In future value amount is greater than principal. When we will do the sums, Thara bhai Joginder, Thara bhai Uddin will help you. Okay, done, promise. Okay, because what, friends never lie. Those who know this friends never lie, you can comment. Okay, which series it is, web series, very famous guys, very famous. Okay, starting from S, very famous. Okay, so this is the whole concept about the annuity. I see 9 or 10 marks. How many formulas? 5 formulas, all are related to each other. Future value of annuity regular, future value of annuity due, sinking fund, present value of annuity regular, present value of annuity due. 5 formula. If you remember the one formula and little changes you will do, if you will do all the 5 formulas you are going to get. So in the next class we will solve the sums, and next class will be the last video for this annuity chapter, and with the means next video. See, next video will solve only the sums for the annuity, and the next video will be the last video for this annuity chapter, and this the time value of money chapter will khalas end. Okay, thank you, bye bye, we'll meet on the next video. If you will like it, sorry, means if you understand it, so like it, share with your friends, let them also get benefited. Poor fellows. Okay, but if you have a doubt, please ask in the comment box. Thank you, bye bye, take care, we'll meet in the next video.